what I see here is that perhaps the entry barrier to using PHP is a little bit higher than some other languages, which is weird to me because it's one of the easier ones to pick up. But especially JavaScript and Python are pushed heavily within our secondary education systems, within the colleges and our academic research areas. So as a result, those are often introduced and people stick with what they know. So one of the ways we could potentially improve the situation is getting PHP into those places as an easy to learn language to help introduce programming concepts. But yeah, I don't actually think it's going away anytime soon. I think it's going to be around for quite a time.
Yeah, I think there was a long time where JavaScript was the new shiny as all the frameworks and Node.js and other things were gaining speed and it was attractive. So you saw a lot of new engineers going toward that. But as we shared earlier in the report, PHP and JavaScript are kind of neck and neck in the moment with respondents to the survey. So I think that PHP is kind of regaining steam with some of the advances and especially with the framework's ease of use and Nginx making it a little easier to deploy PHP.
Well, and something too about JavaScript is, there's a heavy emphasis on asynchronous, and uh, async is great because it gives you huge performance gains, but it's really hard to wrap your head around. And I think that's one place where PHP can shine here in helping people understand programming, and then later they can learn that async stuff. And I think
Yeah,
that's part of what we're also seeing is people are going, whoa, wait, there's an easier way to do this, and it's been
yeah.
here all along. So.
Yeah.